Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Onyii. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make delicious yam porridge. Let's get right into the video. For this recipe I'll be using smoked fish, crayfish, palm oil, salt, seasoning cubes, onion, pepper, ugu leaves, fresh tomatoes, and of course my yam. So the first thing you should do is to blend your tomatoes and pepper. Then pour it into a pot or pan and cook until the water dries up. Now it's time to start peeling your yam. I like to put my yam inside water immediately after peeling to avoid it changing its color. So once you're done peeling the yam, you cut it into sizes, depends on the size you want. I like to cut mine into cubes. So once you're done cutting the yam, you wash it, put it in a clean water and set it aside. So once your tomato paste is dried up, it's time to start cooking the yam porridge. So first of all, put a clean pot on your stove. Once it's dried up, you add your palm oil, then add your onion. Mix both of them together. Now add your tomato blend and cook for 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. You add your smoked fish, which you already washed. Then add your salt. Add your crayfish and your seasoning cubes. Now mix everything together. Now it's time to add water to this mixture. Add just enough water to be on the same level with your yam when you add it to the pot. And then mix very well with your spoon. Now add your yam to the pot and cover your pot. Once the water is almost dried up, you add your vegetables and mix everything together with your spoon. Now turn off the stove. Your delicious yam porridge is ready to be served. So you guys, give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more Nigerian recipes. Don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section and check my channel for more Nigerian recipes. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.